Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw?
Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started!
Connection. Connection. Connection meaning connection. Pananaw. Pananaw. Pananaw meaning point of view. Tama. Tama. Tama meaning right or correct. Tungkol. Tungkol. Tungkol meaning about. Intindihin. Intindihin. Intindihin meaning to understand. Sang-ayon. Sang-ayon. Sang-ayon meaning agree. Mula. Mula. Mula meaning since or starting. Bula. Bula. Bula meaning bubbles or foamy. Paraan. Paraan. Paraan meaning way. Kanila. Kanila. Kanila meaning theirs. Sila. Sila. Sila meaning they or them. Marunong. Marunong. Marunong meaning being able to do something. Kahit. Kahit. Kahit meaning even though. Konti. Konti. Konti meaning a little bit. Lang. Lang. Lang meaning just. Pareho. Pareho. Pareho meaning alike. Pagod. Pagod. Pagod meaning tired. Parang. Parang. Parang meaning it's like. Utak. Utak. Utak meaning brain. Matalas. Matalas. Matalas meaning sharp. Mapurol. Mapurol. Mapurol meaning dull. Sipan. Isipan. Isipan mind or thought. Isipin. Isipin. Isipin meaning to think about. Nakikipag-usap. Nakikipag-usap. Nakikipag-usap meaning talking. Madiskarte. Madiskarte. Madiskarte meaning resourceful. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!